farming is absolutely revolutionary. When we discovered how to farm, we suddenly increased the ability of the land to support us.
It's the difference between there being only a few million humans on the planet and there being billions of humans on the planet. Most humans alive today subsist on the products of the agricultural revolution, the byproducts of farming.
Humans were extremely good at hunting. One of the problems is about 8,000 to 10,000 years ago, most of the large animals that humans were hunting died out. We were simply very successful. In those locations where you no longer had game, you had a choice between dying, moving, or settling down and trying to survive and thrive on plant life.
Our ancestors were natural historians in their daily lives, and this was probably behind the domestication of plants. They probably noticed that if they took some of the seeds and rather than eating them, left them on the ground or put them in the compost heaps or the dumps near their camp, they grew.
Farming arises in many different places, totally unconnected with each other. And that is the beginning of civilization.
We had to come up with better tools, better ways to build our houses, to protect our land, to make our clothing and so forth. We had new materials to use, we had new plants to grow, and we started to develop organized societies.
You have to have a hierarchical system that's going to have somebody in charge to make sure that things are done.
Farmers are invested in land. Inevitably, if there's more than one person farming, this brings them into conflict with one another.
When we moved from hunting and gathering, we stopped being predators and started becoming prey to a great extent.
Warfare kind of follows farming as a natural sequence.
You have stuff to lose. You have a vested interest. And we needed to create other things to protect that.
Farming is the most important ingredient in human civilization.
It is the seed from which everything grows. From the first crop to the notion of property, nation-states, cities, empires. It is the roots, quite literally, of all society.